Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to turn off WhatsApp lock. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp and click on top right 3 dots. After that you have to click on settings. After that you have to scroll down and here you have to click on privacy. When you click on privacy, you have to scroll down here. After scrolling down, you will see an option for app lock, you have to click on it. When you click on the app lock, then you have to disable your top first icon. Here you have to disable first icon. Now here you can see that the app lock has been completely closed, and this way you can turn off WhatsApp lock.